Hello guys, we have something special today again, another box to open and really something special for you guys to see. It's another box, it's another Grizzla box. You probably see from the things in description, but it's the I already have from the Grizzla guys. Thanks this time for supporting me and sending this to me to test and review and do everything else with it. So thanks guys for sending me this. I already have essential upgrades for Lynx, and this is the ultimate combo additional things that are missing from the essential part. So last part that you already maybe see, or this one is the ultimate combo upgrades for the Lynx that you need. So let's stop talking in empty and open this great box here. So it's somehow glued on some other points they didn't expect, but now we have it all in its glory. I have already large seat, flow pads for the Lynx upgrade, jump parts for the Lynx upgrade, and this is the rest of it. Let's see what do we have here today. So small bubble, sorry maybe for the noise, but small bubble parts. They're here just to stay everything intact for you to see and me to use. So where to start first? Oh, this is addition. This is bottom part from the Grizzla power pads from the flow ones. I already have the upper parts from the essential upgrade that was released some time ago, and because of these upgrades that I have right here, because of the big grip and everything else, bring front handle, everything else, and the bottom protection for the Lynx, I maybe dismount or change something on the Lynx, so I might be needing these parts. So this is the great additional add-on. You already see this. It's from the flow power pads. I can't wait to see their newer power pads coming soon maybe, but let's talk that some other times. So let's unbox what's everything in the box. Let's open everything that's in the box. This looks like some handle. This looks like some handle. Let's see where we're putting these things. How you see everything. And this is the part that I was missing from the last essential upgrade combo. So I was missing the bottom part. This is the bottom part that's covering the bottom part under the foot plates and under the suspension. So I didn't get this last time, so it's here now finally. So two parts for the both sides, so my Lynx will be full geared up finally. I think that the Lynx is needing some essential then ultimate upgrade combo. So yeah, that's the first thing that you must do when you buy your Lynx. Get some seat, get some essential upgrades, get some jump pads, because you cannot ride it with regular ones. But okay, this is probably the front, back. Oh, this is we have a back and front. Let's see, this is maybe upper part to down part. We'll see. with its down part. So you have your Lynx, and this is the probably the down part to protect your Lynx for hitting some things when you're going off-road. So let's remove everything from the box, and another part that's for another side. So you have two sides, yeah, for your wheel. So the last one was for this part, and this is for the left and right side. You see everything with written here, right and left side, forward, back, and everything else. So let's see if we have some additional things. So this is interesting. It's like this is for the seat, I know, but this is just handle, nothing more. See, ooh, let's do this thing first. This is the front, the upper part protection for your, this is going over your handles. See, it's going over your handles. Upper part for one side, and upper protection for the other side. See, it's crafted on your wheel, so you probably just put it on. Let's see, you need some screws, I think. A lot of things here, big jigsaw, and a lot of, yeah, a lot of things to be made. This is probably for the back and the front handle. See, and this is for the seat. Sorry, must find the seat. See what's the difference between big and small seat. Let's remove this. So yeah, this is coming like a handle. Your seat be connected. Can open it. And this is the small seat. See all Velcro. This is somehow less squishy than the big one. The big one was a bit too much squishy for my taste. It's big, you can use it really good. It's high up, even for trolling your Lynx. But this is something totally different. I can't wait to try this. I love seated riding. So this is the, yeah, when you remove this, this thing is probably for your connection part. If you're using some other things, you can up or mount your seat somehow differently on your wheel. Let me just check how we use this. So yeah, a lot of parts, lot of parts. This is Velcro, but this is the long one, and it have additional parts here for this handle. So this is the long one coming from up to the top, bottom to the top to the bottom of your Lynx, covering all your Lynx, because if you're using sometime these down parts and not stock one, you need longer Velcro. So thanks guys for the longer Velcro. I'll be using this, and this is something special. I can't wait to try my Lynx with this. This is the front total grip handle. So you have a handle, and you're removing your old handles from the factory and using this one. And these parts give you more estate here, so you can use longer Velcro for your pads to be pushed up a little bit more. Yeah, even more velcro and even more real estate for your power pads. But this is total front impact grill. Maybe just to see. You'll see when we accomplish it and when we make this jigsaw, but I'm thinking something's coming down here in this buttons, and you have screws here and here, probably some handle here, something like that, and this is the place for the light. So you're changing your appearance and how your Lynx looks. It's not all the same, and you have great protection for the upper part, for the display and everything else. Can't wait to see how this behaves on my Lynx. And also what I was looking for in this combo, just to see if this fits. We have a lot of stickers and everything here. So great, I love the stickers. We'll give them here. This is like additional velcro. If you have already all velcro, you just add this. Yeah, it's precise. And this is why I love you guys. You are so precise with some things. You add additional velcro on top of this part. Probably, yeah? I don't know, we'll see. We'll make it happen. And fit all these things in. And this, oh yeah. Let's remove this box and open these guys separately. So here great stickers we love to use. And in this box we have front and rear lights for your power pads. This is connectors for the flow pads. Yeah, great one. And this is for the rear handle. So yeah, we have some screws, additional screws, a Lynx front handle, rear handle. It's all written here. Some zip ties, and some additional things. We'll see how to mount this. Well, we'll see. Front and back handle. Oh, this is big front lights. This is big rear lights. So you have even installation guide on this QR code here and here. And this is the front and back lights. Let's see what's this in this small box. This looks like yeah, finally, I didn't see you have this. This is the cover for the suspension part, because you're covering all your wheels, so you'll be covering everything. So you need this part to be covered with a great Grizzla logo. Yeah, I love this. It will be one of the first upgrades I was missing. So this is the front and back light connectors. So see, some parts are going in the power pads. You exchange your parts in power pads. I will show you later, but you exchange these parts, you put it in your power pad, in Grizzla Flow power pads, and yeah, on that then you insert. This is the front, this is the rear one, something similar, but this is fixed point. So this one is used for the red one, for the rear light, to get better visibility at night, and this is for the front power pads. It can be adjustable, I adjustable here, here. So you put this on the power pads and use this and this to position your front lights. So we have, whoa, this is, see, multifunctional bike light. Yeah. So this is the connectors, so you can mount them easily if you want something else, not only on your wheel. So you have two connectors here. No need to use it especially on power pads, you can use them separately, but you have all connections here to use them for your Lynx or any other wheel that you're using with power pads. So let me see, how do we start this? Whoa. This is maybe not showing really good. I know how we turn that off. Yeah. Nice. I didn't see it, but I didn't show it to you, but it's USB-C. Great. I don't like all types of ports. So it looks promising, and it's connecting this here really easy on the wheel. Just twist. Yeah, and I turn it on. So you have special. You put this to open this part, pressed long to short to change and everything else, and long to turn off. Interesting part. That's for the big front lights, rear lights, and I twist this on back front part. This is for the rear lights. It's going focused on one side, and this is same connectors, cables, and everything else you can use without your power pads, but it's probably used better with your Grizzla Flow power pads. So short one, ooh, this is really going strong. Short another one, whoa. So you can change it some. Oh, I changed some. How bright is it? And long press, and it's off. So this part is going on this side, and you can customize. Do you want to open it more or less? To point it down or up? Great addition to my Grizzla flows, great ones. So one upgrade for my Grizzla flows is the lights and connectors. We must move it from this table. So here. And the big upgrade is everything else. So Velcro, I'll put everything on the wheel, try to film if I can some angles when mounting everything, or some parts. Small seat, I have the big one already. Front handle, totally customizable, not your own. Option if you want to preserve or have your old one, so you have old front bumpers, just add some security on it. This is the back and front protection for your wheel. So this is, sorry, a lot of parts, a lot of parts. Front and back covers for your wheel, button protection, additional flow pads, Velcro additional, and the missing parts. Am I missing? Yeah, I'm missing the small one, but it's probably inside coming here. So lot of parts and big jigsaw to complete and use on my Lynx. So everything this here is for the Lynx. Everything is upgraded for my Lynx that I'll be using this year. You probably see some videos about it. And I have essential upgrades plus this ultimate combo upgrades. You mix them together, it's really the ultimate combo upgrade for the Lynx that you can use on your wheel. And really, you need this protection. This down part you really need. Upper part you can mix. What do you want to use? This, that's totally protecting your wheel and changing your handles, or just add this on your front handles. If you want to remove the bottom jump pads and this protection, if you're doing some off-road, something like this, you need this bottom cover and protection, so you have bottom cover protection. And when you're changing this and you're dismounting parts on your Lynx, you need this parts that you're missing from the upper flow ones. Handle, one in this middle, so yeah, a lot of things to do. One is I think here, and one is back for the seat, so you can handle and use. This is also for handle. Things differently what you're using and connecting. Maybe probably this is one if you're using the old handle, front grip handle, if you don't have this one. And this is the whole different type of upgrades if you need it. Seat, something that you must use, must have. In any other case, only if you're sitting on like traffic light or something like this. And this protectors with Grizzla logo. Yeah, I don't know if I will put Velcro on it. I really like how the Grizzla logo is seen here. So another stickers to put in, button covers, additional Velcro, big Velcro, everything is here. So lights will be visible at night, and additional upgrades that we have already from old combo. That's the big seat, that's the jump pads that are changing, that regular ones, stock ones that you have that I think nobody should use, small, hard, everything else. The flow pads that are in all this black and red colors that we have already there. The old Velcro that we have. So a lot of upgrades will be made on Lynx, and I try to use this one or this one to see what fits me best, to add this one to my power pads, so it will be really good. So guys, thank you for joining me here today. If you like it, just do the like and subscribe, of course, if you are not. And also you have in the description you have links for all this stuff to see, to buy, to see the pricing and anything else. And also you have my discount code that will help support my channel and continue to do these things for you. So thank you guys for joining me today. We'll see shortly how this all fits up to my Lynx, and you'll see more videos coming here. Maybe here you can see how the Lynx looks like with all these upgrades. We are also waiting the Lynx foot plates that are coming soon to me, and then that will be all Grizzla wheel and all upgraded wheel. Pimp my wheel. Go Grizzla, go Lynx. Thank you guys for joining. See you soon. Bye bye.